Hello everyone and welcome back to Keep It English. Today we're going to talk about money vocabulary for loans, families and businesses. This is a bank manager and this is the Haynes family. The Haynes family want to buy a house and so they borrow money from the bank. The bank lends the money and the Haynes family borrows the money. Another word for to borrow is to take out a loan. A loan for a house is called a mortgage. You don't pronounce the T, it's mortgage. Say it with me, mortgage. Now the family owes the bank money and they pay back the money over time. To pay back money means to return it. Now let's talk a little bit about money and family. In English we have this term called the breadwinner. The breadwinner is a person who earns the most amount of money in a family unit. It's a strange word, isn't it? Breadwinner. It is an old term from the time when most of the family's money would be spent on bread. Every month, the family receives a bank statement from the bank. A bank statement is a list of all transactions that month. Children receive pocket money. Pocket money is a small amount of money given by the parent each week to the child. And this is a piggy bank. Traditionally, children used to keep their money in a piggy bank, but nowadays children use many types of containers. Commonly, we call any container in which a child keeps money a piggy bank. Another common word is money jar. It is a good idea to save money. When we are saving for something in particular, such as a new bike, we use the phrasal verb to save up for plus the noun or object pronoun. For example, Luke is saving up for a new bike. He is saving up for it. Finally, let's talk about money and business. This is Ruth. Ruth is very good at her job, and so she's expecting a pay rise this year. A pay rise is an increase in her salary. She might also get a bonus at the end of the year. A bonus is extra money at the end of the tax year because the company has made a profit. Ruth is also an investor. She invests in stocks and shares. Stocks and shares are small parts of companies that you buy and sell. If you have stocks in a company, you are called a shareholder. Stocks and shares are traded on the stock market. The verb is to trade stocks and shares. Companies make a profit. This means that they earn more money than they spend, or a loss, meaning that they lose more money than they spend. Sometimes companies go bankrupt. This means that they fail and cease to do business. The term to go bankrupt means that the company has permanently stopped trading. What is the noun? Correct, bankruptcy. What is this term for a person? Right, to go broke. To go broke means that an individual has no more money. Another way to say this is to say that they have run out of money. To go broke means that you have permanently run out of money. For example, Steve went broke when his business went bankrupt. However, the term to be broke is usually impermanent. Steve is broke this month because he spent his money on car repairs. Next week when he gets paid, however, he won't be broke anymore. And so that concludes our lesson on money vocabulary for loans, family and business. To recap on any of the information here, go to the lesson notes below or test your knowledge with our quiz. See you next time.